Noong mga minuno namin na walang alam, pumunta kayo dito, you occupied my country for so many years. Well, I think that she's just following my record. Hindi lang na-record properly. Kasi si Kadawaya kasi yung tikuha ng figures noon sa Manila eh. But I am proud that she's been doing good at public service. Taking into account that, my father has always been, for the longest time, the governor of even the city of Davao before. There was only one Davao, one province, one capital, Davao City. And we used to elect the governor of the entire Davao province and Davao City. So, ganon. At ako naman, I would like to thank you, although belatedly, I suppose. Salamat po sa mga tao for the number of years given to me as a rare privilege to serve my country as mayor, as congressman, and eventually as president. I just hope that hindi ako nagkulang sa tao. Pero ganun pa man, maski na pahabol na lang ito, ginawa ko talaga ang magagawa ko at wala akong ginawang kalukuhan kailanman.
Mayor, mas update mo sa
ICC? Sabi ko sa kanila, mag-usap na lang sila ng ICC rin dito. Total, magkapareho silang pangalan eh. Yes, you talk to each other, maybe you can understand.
Mayor, the support of the president is para ma-implement nila rest. So, you said the previous press you were telling the president to drop his...
No, ganito yan. I would like the president to seek the advice of his legal counsel. Kung ano yung sabihin niya sa mga abogado niya sa Malacanang, sundin niya. Ako, I can take care of my own. Kaya kung saan ba yung ICC na yan? Kaya pasalbid sa mong yawa mo. Pakialam nila. When my country was being eaten by drugs and everything, nandito ba sila? Putang ina nila. Sabi mo sa kanila, putang mo, Dr. D, sabi mo, putang ina ninyo. Panahon na Brihon natin dito, nagpatayan tayo dito, polis ko di patay dito, patay doon, patayan tayo ng mga Pilipino. Saan itong mga putang inan to? Where were they? Yung kinakain ng mga anak natin ng droga. Hindi ang droga ang kumakain sa mga anak natin. Saan sila? Putang ina. Sabihin tatapos turuan pati kung anong sabihin nila. Sampalin ko sila. Totoo, kung may makita ako na foreigner magsalita sa akin sa harap na, pag hindi kita sinampal. Ano? Wala mang preso yan. Guilty ka agad. Did you slap this idiot of the associated whatever? No. Pakialam kayo ng pakialam, hindi naman kayo nakakatulong. Look, idiot, if you are not really an idiot because you are an idiot, sino ba naman gustong pumatay sa kapwa-tao niya? Kung may gusto man akong patayin kayo, kayong pumunta dito sa bayan ko. Noong mga minuno namin na walang alam, pumunta kayo dito. You occupied my country for so many years. Spain for 400 years. Americans, how many years? And you talk like a shit. Tang ina niyo ba kung turuan? Talk about human rights. How many years of oppression? Nagtiis tayo sa mga kamay ng mga banyaga. Tang ina nila. Tapos kung magsalita ka lang, look who's talking, ika nga. Mga natin turuan. Ako ba? Bakit ko patayin Pilipino? Kasi gusto ko pumatay ng puti. Sila yung may kasalanan, hindi yung Pilipino. Eh, yung ngayon, kung Pilipino ka naman, and you're fucking with drugs, destroying the mga bata, ibang istorya yan. Sinasabi ko na, tsaka ako nag-warning. At ang warning ko, walang para-para. Wala akong qualified or condition. Huwag mong gawin yan, papatayin kitang putang ina mo. Lagi.
Last po, we heard also pa kayo ni Pastor Diego in person recently, at saka may kayo pa kayo ni kanyang whereabouts kung nalikot pa siya sa Philippines or nakalabas na.
Si Pastor? Sabi ko sa Afrika ka muna matago. Kaya hindi ka mahalata doon. I really do not know. I do not want to. He's on his own. Alam mo naman, presidente ako, tapos I started as a prosecutor, fiscal, mayor, president. I cannot afford to double with yung mga ganitong mga bagay na ito. So, alam naman niya, kaya niya, he has the resources and all. And he has a lot of brains to navigate his way. Paano niya magpaikot-ikot sa buhay.
Okay, thank you very much, Mayor President. Thank you.
Salamat.